This is the Arnold Grummer's Dip Handmold Kit. Designed for beginners, it makes paper making at home, in the studio, or classroom fun and easy. Not only is making paper a great way to add a unique element to your work, but you can also recycle your paper waste, making it an environmentally friendly craft as well. In addition to the kit, which has a dip deckle, paper screen, a screen support grid, and a botanical packet, you will need some simple household supplies. Those include a kitchen blender, dishpan, sponge, and paper towels or cloths. You'll also need scrap or waste paper to recycle into pulp. Before getting started, blend your scrap paper into pulp following the instructions in the kit. Start by mixing water and paper pulp in a tub. Then, dip the mold and deckle into the pulp, lifting it to capture the fibers. Next, remove the excess water with a sponge and press the paper. Finally, carefully peel the paper from the mold and let it dry. Now you have a unique sheet of handmade paper. You can even add dried flowers or other embellishments to personalize your paper. Use it for drawing, writing, printmaking, greeting cards, artwork, or frame it as a piece of art in itself.